In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns or rows in Google Sheets. If your text looks cramped, gets cut off, or your sheet has too much empty space, a quick resize will make everything clearer and easier to read. Start in your spreadsheet. At the top, you'll see the column headers labeled with letters, and along the left, the row headers labeled with numbers. These headers are where you'll make your adjustments. For a quick visual adjustment, use the boundary line. Move your cursor to the line between two column letters at the top. When the cursor changes to a left-right resize icon, click and hold, then drag to the right to widen or to the left to narrow. Release the mouse to set the new size. The exact same approach works for rows. Hover over the line between two row numbers on the left until the cursor turns into an up-down resize icon. Then click, drag, and release. If you've selected more than one column or row beforehand, your drag will apply to the entire selection, which is helpful when you want consistent sizing across multiple sections. If you prefer precision, right-click the header. Right-click the letter at the top of the column you want to change. From the menu that appears, choose Resize Column. A small dialog box will open where you can enter an exact width in pixels. Type the number that fits your layout, then click OK to confirm. This applies that exact measurement to the entire column. If you're working with rows, right-click the row number, choose Resize Row, enter the height in pixels, and confirm. A few tips for clean results. Resizing affects the entire column or row, so after you change one, glance through a few cells to make sure the new size works for long entries and short ones alike. When you need a tidy, uniform look, select multiple columns or rows first and then resize once so they match perfectly. If your text still feels tight even after resizing, consider simplifying long headers or enabling text wrap so content flows to a new line rather than spilling into the next cell. And remember, Google Sheets saves your changes automatically, so there's no extra step to preserve your work. That's all there is to it. Drag the boundary line for a fast, visual tweak, or use the right-click menu to set an exact pixel size when consistency matters. With these two methods, you'll keep your spreadsheets neat, readable, and professional.